The Goa government on Thursday issued notice to all the offshore casinos asking them to furnish original documents for obtaining permission to ply within a day. The decision came after the assurance by the tourism minister on the floor of the House that he would stop the casinos operating without legal documents. The notices are fallout of the assurance given by the State Ports Minister Francisco Pacheco in the Assembly session to seal the offshore casinos as the permission given to them to ply in Mandavi River water had expired. It may be noted that Goa has 6 offshore casino vessels which are in the news for wrong reasons. The opposition and few ruling legislators have been opposing these offshore casinos, citing irregularities in licenses issued to them. Speaking to Goa 365, Officer on Special Duty Lyndon Montero informed that all the offshore casino operators have been asked to furnish their original documents which are prescribed by the Director General of Shipping for running such vessels.
We have issued letters to all the 6 floating casinos. The letters have been issued asking them to come along with their original certificates issued by the Director General of Shipping for the purpose of verification. They have been asked to do so within 24 hours of the receipt of this particular letter.
Montero also said that all offshore casinos were earlier served a notice on the basis of cabinet decision to shift to the Aguada Bay. Subsequently, the operators had gone to the court. He said now that all the casino licenses had expired. The government thought of taking such steps in the interest of passenger safety.
Earlier we have served a notice on the basis of the cabinet decision to all the casino operators to move to the outer bay at Aguada, and they had all gone to the court, and the Honorable High Court was hearing that petition, and that was the reason why we thought we had maintained a status quo. But now, since the licenses of all the casinos have expired, the plying permissions have expired, some of their certificates issued by the Director General of Shipping also expired, we thought that we have to do this in the interest of the safety of the passengers who go for the purpose of gambling.
When asked about the reason for asking the operators to show their permissions, Lyndon stated that the purpose was to verify whether the certificates were valid or not because, as per their records, some of the certificates issued by Director General of Shipping had expired.
First of all, we have to verify, let us bring on record whether the certificates are valid or not, because as per our records, some of the certificates issued by the Director General of Shipping have expired. However, we do not know whether they have thereafter got their certificates renewed. So first of all, let us verify whether the certificates issued by the Director General of Shipping are valid or not. After consulting the legal experts, we will take our next course of action.